Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, how are you? Now it is 12 o'clock. 12, very good afternoon to all of you. I hope all of you are very good and already you did your first class and this is our second session. Okay, and of course already I told you, I hope all of you are very good, healthy, and of course you are ready for the math class. And today we are going to solve our CQ sheet. Okay, already I have given 6 CQ problem in the CQ sheet, and most of you, I think around 50 to 60 students, they have done their homework very successfully. Okay, and you have some problem sometimes in one problem or two problems you face is little problems, not much, it's okay. If you think again, if you do again, I think you can do it. It's really good, wonderful. And a student who did really good, I think I want to say this, every single problems you did very successfully well. Just I want to congratulations to all of you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you from bottom of my heart. Okay, it's really appreciating, it's really very charming for me, because when I gave any homeworks and you did with very important did with importance, did with just importantly you submitted, I feel very good. Okay, so thank you so much again, and so let's go our class. Okay, thank you. Okay, just my dear student, just let me know my sound quality, video quality, everything is okay or not. Okay, walaikum salam. Okay, just let me know everything is okay or not, perfect or not. Just write in the comment box. And it is 90 student. I hope all of you should attend the class. Today I am telling you should attend the class. Why I am telling should? Because our last meeting, general meeting, our chairman sir took a decision that we will give you 10% marks in attendance. Do you understand? 10%. If you just only attend in the class, you will get 10%. So 100 marks, you will get 10%. Okay, 10 marks. So I hope all of you will be attending the class. If you like or dislike, doesn't matter. You have to attend in the class. Okay, there is no other way. Okay, so let's start. Okay, today is 24th of August. Okay, 2020. Today is Monday. Okay, if my writing, I mean font size is very small, just let me know. Sir, would you please write little bit bigger? I will write it again. Okay, no problem. So CQ solving class, CQ solving class. Okay, in last class we did first CQ, and today we are going to do second, from second. Okay, so let me know what is the second one. So look at that. In second one, what it is here, the breadth of a 64 long rectangular field is 1/4 of its length, and perimeter of a square field is equal to the perimeter of the rectangular field. First question, what is the breadth of the rectangular field? And second one, what is the area of the square field? And third one, there is a 2 meter wide walkway around the outside of the square field. Find the area of the walkway. Okay, so first questions we have given, the breadth of a 64 long rectangular field is 1/4 of its length. So we have to find the breadth. Okay, so one rectangular field we have given which has length is 64 meter. Okay, so CQ2, we are going to solve CQ2 number A. Okay, so given, first thing is that given length of the rectangular field is length of the rectangular field is 64 meter. Okay, length of the rectangular field is 64 meter and breadth should be 1/4. Okay, if you just write breadth of the rectangular field is x and this other way it's also okay, but given here 1/4 of its length, so if we just multiply 1/4 in this length, easily we can find it out. Okay, so breadth of the rectangular field equal 1/4 of 64 meter. So easily we can find it out, 16 meter. Okay, 16 meter. So therefore breadth is 16 meter. Okay, 16 meter. Okay, answer is 16 meter. Okay, this is our first one. Okay, number second, let me see your comments. Okay, (111) students now. Everything is going well, sir. You may continue. Thank you so much. Okay, Anand. Yep. Okay, 116. Okay, so I'm going to second one. So second portion of the stem we have given the perimeter of the rectangular field is equal to perimeter of the square field. So we have to find the area of the square. How we can find it out? Okay, so let us do it. Okay, given in the question. Okay, first we can write from A we get okay, length of the rectangle, length of the rectangle is 64 meter. Okay, and breadth of the rectangle is 16 meter. Okay, so length of the rectangle is 64 meter and breadth of the rectangle is 16 meter. So perimeter of the rectangle equals 2 into 64 plus 16. Okay, equal 2 into 64 plus 16 is 80. Okay, so we can write 160 meter. So perimeter of the rectangle is 160 meter. I hope all of you finished first one. So I am just erasing number A. Okay. So perimeter of the rectangle equals 160 meter. Given, we can write here another line. Okay, or we can write here, given in the question, given perimeter of the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to perimeter of the rectangle is equal to perimeter of the square, okay. So let one side of the square is x meter. So perimeter of the square is equal 4 times of x equals 4x, okay, 4x meter. So easily we can write, look at that, perimeter of the square is 4x meter and perimeter of the rectangle equals 160 meter. So easily we can write 4x equals 160, okay. So we can write by the question, okay. Do you finish this part, all of you? Just write in the comment box, do you finish or not? Okay. Walaikum assalam. BREDTH breadth হবে না bread হবে? Bread, where is breadth? I have written, sir breadth হবে, bread হবে না, মনিরুল ইসলাম, where I have written bread? BREDTH breadth I have written. Where did you find bread? মনিরুল, sir breadth হবে না, breadth হবে না, where did you find bread? I have written. Is this one or where is it? Hey baba, write clearly. Okay, I think everything is fine. Okay, so I am erasing this line. Here I have written bread, not bread. I know that, baba. Okay, just see it clearly. So by the question, okay, we can write 4x equals 160. Okay, so x equals 160 divided by 4. So what it is? 40. We can write 40 meter. So one side of the, so look at that, what is x here? One side of the square is x meter. So therefore we can write, therefore okay, one side of the square equals 40 meter. Okay, so area of the square equals 40 into 40, or you can write 40 square. So it is square meter. Easily we can write 1600 square meter. Answer is 1600 square meter. 1600 square meter. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Okay, write in the comment box, is there any problem or not? Okay, Timi Faria Miss, assalamu alaikum. Monirul Islam, yes sir. What does it mean, yes sir? I think I have written bread. You have written bread. Yes sir, done. Thank you. Yes sir, finished. Wonderful. Okay, understood sir, very good. Okay, so I am going to next one. Okay, 2C is some of very good student. Okay, they also did mistake in 2C, and most of the student face little problem in 2C. Okay, given in the question 2 meter wide, given in the question in number C, given in the questions 2 meter wide walkway outside of the square field, outside of the square field. Okay, for example, already you have a square field and you have taken another 2 meter in every single side of the square, so you have to add these two sides. Okay, so we will write this one side of the square including walkway. Okay, or one side of the square with walkway, it's also fine. Okay, so we are going to number C. Okay, number C. Okay, from B we get, from B we get one side of the square, one side of the square is 40 meter. 40 meter. Okay, so we can write now one again, or one side of the square is 40 meter, and area of the square, area of the square is equal 1600 square meter. Okay, again you can write one side of the square including walkway. Okay, so one side of the square including, again one side of the square including walkway, okay, one side of the square including walkway, we can write 40 plus 2 plus 2, or you can write 2 into 2. So 40 plus 4 equals 44 meter. Okay, one side of the square including walkway, 40 plus 2 plus 2, or 2 into 2, it's also fine. Okay, so area of the square, area of the square including, you can write with walkway, it's also fine. Okay, you can write including walkway equals 44 into 44. Okay, so square meter. So 44 into 44, what it is? 44 into 44. So 4 for 16, we have 1, 16, 1, 17. So 176. Okay, so what it is? 6 here, and 13, 3, we have 1, 8, 9, 1936. Okay, 1936. We can write 1936. Okay, 6, 13, 3, we have 1, 8, 1, 9, 1. Okay, 1936. We can write 1936 square meter. Okay, so area of the square including walkway, look at that, area of the square including walkway and area of the square excluding walkway. Without walkway or excluding walkway, you can write. Okay, I think if we draw a picture before, it will be good. Look at that one square field here, this 1 square field. Every single side is 40 meter. This is 40 meter, and this one also 40 meter, this one also 40 meter. Okay, and every single side we have taken 2 meter extra walkway. Okay, this is outside, that is why it is plus. Okay, every single side it is 2 meter here, 2 meter here, and 2 meter also here. So both side it will take 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so 44 into this whole square with walkway, it is 44 into 44 equals 1936 square meter. Okay, and without walkway or only one side of the square, area of the square is 1600. I mean 1600 is inside of the square. Okay, this area is 1600, and whole area including walkway it is 1936. So area of the, we need to find the area of the walkway. So therefore area of the walkway equal 1936 minus 1600 square meter. So it is easily we can say 336 square. Okay, 336 square meter. I hope all of you understood. Student who did mistake this part, I mean 2C. Okay, I hope all of you understood very well, and these kinds of math you can expect in the exam. Okay, these kinds of math, if you understood very well, I think in the MCQ parts also you will get a little maths like that. Even in your book also given some MCQ like that way. Okay, so you have to practice it at your home. Okay, let me see your comments. Everyone understood or not? Blurry, why blurry? Well, sir, blurry. Okay, but here it is looking good. Here it is looking good. Okay, so let me see 1 second. Now is it okay now? Just I refreshed it. Look at that, everything is okay or not? Okay, okay sir, thank you. Write in the comment box everything is okay or not, or till now it is blurry. Or write in the comment box everyone. Everything is fine now, the screen is blurry. Now it is okay? Now clear, okay, thank you. Look at that, I think now it is clear. Sometimes this internet disturbing us. Okay, it is not in my hand. Okay, it is not in my hand. Now it is clear. Understood, sir? Okay, all of you just copy it. Okay, all of you make copy. After finishing, just let me know. So I can take it. Thank you. Thank you, Molly. Sir, understood but blurry. Till now it is blurry. আমার কাছে পুরা ক্রিস্টাল ক্লিয়ার. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Zarif. Okay, clear. Okay. I think some of you have the slow internet. I think it depends on internet. If you have clear, and in especially in my positions, if internet line is clear, I think everything is fine. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we can go to next problem. So what is next problem here? Problem 3 and 4. Look at that. Problem 3 and 4. Number 3, the length of a house is 3 times of its breadth. The cost to cover the floor with a carpet is 1102.5 at the rate of 7.5 per square meter. Number 1. Okay, number 1, what is the area of the house? Number 2, find the length and breadth of the house, and what will be the area of the square house perimeter equal to the perimeter of the house. I think number 3 you can do it. It's I think more similar to 24th number of book. Okay, 24th number of book. So I think you can do it. Number 4 also same. The length of a house is 3 times of its breadth. House perimeter is 56 meter. The rate of carpeting cost of the house is 7.5 per square meter. Find the length and breadth of the house. I think you can do it. 3 and 4 is very easy. Every single student who submitted their homework, everyone can do it very successfully. This one, 3 and 4, there is no mistake in 3 and 4. Okay, so I think everyone can do it. Okay, I'm going to number 5. 3 and 4, just try it your home. If you can't do it, maybe later I will do it. Okay, I will try it. Okay, number 5. So number 5, what it is? Number 5, the base and height of a triangular field are 6 meter and 4 meter respectively. So base and height we have given. Okay, the base and height of a rectangular field are 6 meter and 4 meter respectively. Again, area of the another triangular land is 216 square meter, whose base is 3 times of its base of the first land. Okay, so first this just triangular land. Okay, we have given this 4 meter base and 6 meter base and 4 meter height. Easily, what is the area of the first land? Easily you can find it out. Okay, second one is find the height of the second land. So second land base we have given 3 times of the base of first one. So easily it should be 18. Okay, we can find it out. Okay, number C. Area and base of a parallelogram shape land is equal to the area and base of the second land. So second land area and base and the rectangular parallelogram shape land, base and height also same. So we can find second land height. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. Okay, number 5, we are going to do number 5. Okay, so number 5, okay, why it's gone, everything, internet gone. Okay, so let's do it. CQ5. Okay, CQ5 number A. CQ5. Okay, given. Okay, base and height we have given base of the rectangle, base of the triangle, base of the triangle is 6 meter. Okay, base of the triangle is 6 meter and height of the triangle is equal 4 meter. Okay, so easily we can find area of the triangular land. You can write also triangular land, no problem. Triangular land equals, we know that area of the triangle equals half into base into height. So half into base into height. Okay, half into 6 into 4, so it is 3 here, so it is 12 square meter. Okay, answer is 12 square meter. Answer 12 square meter. Okay, that is our required answer. Okay, in second part of the question written, the base of the second land, another triangular land. Okay, base of the second land is 3 times of the base of the first land. Okay, Okay, so let's do the second one. Number B. Okay, second portion we have given, written in the question, base of the second triangular length, second triangular length, 3 times of the base of first length. Okay, so we can say the base of the second length is 3 into 6, it is 18. Okay, and we have to find the height of the second length. Okay, we have to find the height of the second length, and area also given is 216. So we can write, given in the question, okay, or you can first we can write from A, we get from A, and later we can write given from A we get okay, base of the first triangular length is, base of the first triangular length is 6 meter. Okay, so base of the second triangular, okay, triangular length is 3 times of its, 3 times of first triangular length. Okay, so it is 18 meter. Okay, and we are let height of the second triangular length is equal h. You can say small h or capital H, is not a problem. So area of the second triangular length equals half into base is 18 and height is h. Okay, and given in the questions, area of the second triangular length is 216. Okay, given in the question, okay, area of the second triangular length is 216 square meter. Okay, so look at that, area of the second triangular length is area this one, and here given 216. So easily we can write by the question, half into 18 into h equals 216 square meter. Okay, (18) divided by 2 is 9 here, so 9h equals 216 square meter. So h equals 216 divided by 9 square. So if we divide here, it is 2 times. Okay, 2 times it is 18. So we have 3 here, 3, 6, 36. 36 divided by 9, it is 4. I hope, do you understand, all of you?